So from digestion, we can have a disorder that is called lactose intolerance. We will discover what this is about today. So lactose intolerance is a condition of the digestive system. It's characterized by the ingestion caused by dairy products. It occurs when the absorption cells of the small intestines do not produce enough lactase, which is the enzyme that digests the milk sugar lactose. In most mammals, including humans, lactose intolerance does increase with age, making you more prone to be at risk the older you become. Primary lactose intolerance does occur as the amount of lactase declines as you age. In some human populations, though, in contrast, most notably Caucasians, are able to maintain the ability to produce lactase as adults. So we have three different types of lactose intolerance. We have primary, secondary, and congenital. Primary is the most common, and this is the deficiency we just discussed of the enzyme lactase. The secondary cause is less common than the primary. It is caused by some type of disease, whether it be a digestive disease such as celiac or Crohn's disease or a viral infection, a type of stomach flu or bug can cause it as well. Also, it can be congenital, which is a rare condition, and this congenital type of lactose intolerance has a defect that prevents the lactase production to break down the lactose sugar. So some of the symptoms someone might incur if they have a lactose intolerance. As we discussed before, in people with lactose intolerance, the lactose in chyme is not digested. The bacteria in the large intestine actually ferments the undigested lactose, which produces gas in the gastrointestinal system. So one of the main symptoms would be gas. Addition to gas, symptoms include abdominal cramps, bloating, and diarrhea. The symptom severity ranges from mild discomfort to severe pain. However, symptoms will resolve once the lactose is eliminated. Symptoms may include, as we discussed, abdominal pain, but also it may include nausea as well, diarrhea, and bloating. These symptoms typically start 30 minutes to 2 hours after eating or drinking milk-based food or dairy products, and their severity would depend on the amount of dairy a person eats or drinks. So let's discuss the diagnosis process and some solutions for lactose intolerance. First of all, to diagnose, you do have to complete an hydrogen breath test is one of the diagnosis tools used to help diagnose intolerance because lactose tolerant people have very little hydrogen in their breath. Those with lactose intolerance will exhale hydrogen, which is one of the gases produced by the bacterial fermentation of lactose in the colon. After the hydrogen is absorbed from the small intestines, it is transported through the body into the lungs. But there are a number of lactose-free dairy products available to anyone in the grocery stores nowadays. In addition, dietary supplements are available, such as this figure here that we have. When taken with food, they provide lactase enzyme to help digest lactose. So either avoid all dairy products and then the symptoms decrease, or if you do not want to avoid dairy products, you can take this here, which is the actual enzyme to help break down since you do not produce it.